Physically the feather player between the two of them. So in close matches, the feather player, the physically and mentally more prepared player, always has the advantage. And Venus hasn't played a competitive match for 3 to 4 months. This is her second competitive match. And she's playing better than she was the other day, for sure. She is. But Nina is playing very good today.
That's going long.
So this brings up 4 match points.
So Lina, I was going to say, another testing situation for her. She was up 5-1, made an error for 5-2, and Venus deserves 2 points. Could have easily have been back to 5-4, but 4 match points for Lina. Not happy with that. Feeling out of coach. What we're supposed to do is good dipping shot here. Venus guessing the right way and just firing it back at Lina.
I think she's frustrated with the choice of shot she hit there. She probably should have gone down cross court. Venus just guessed right there. And now she goes. Now look away. Very well deserved tonight by Nina. 6-4, 7-6. Definitely the better player over the course of these 2 sets. So Team Asia Pacific got their first victory. So this tie is tied at 1.